So Pam's mom get mad because she said that she should do more vlogs instead of challenges. So she decided to start a vlog while we're eating dinner.
No.
Oh boy. I'm not telling me you're gonna drink. Oh yes you are. She's drinking pickle juice. We're having pasta.
It helps my mood.
We're having pasta and garlic bread.
With my butt.
I'm confused about that sentence.
I want soda.
I'm not for punch.
Go ahead. You're the only one that drinks it here anyway. Doesn't matter.
The only thing I can drink.
Go ahead. Drink it all. Drink it out of the freaking container.
I'm not that disgusting.
I am.
Well, because there's still a lot left, like I would do it if it was left empty. Why are you so mad?
Because challenges are my life. My YouTube channel is Pam's Challenges.
So make a vlog channel.
No. That is not my life's desire. Are you gonna drink that like it's a shot?
No, why? No. Unless you're gonna give me a shot glass, then I'd do it. But you know, I'm just gonna go boom. Like I can't do that. I can't drink all of it like that. Are you trying to find a shot glass? Are you trying to find a shot glass? Because they're right there. Because the shot glasses are right there. You know that, right?
Those are candles.
They're not candles.
Yeah, those are for candles. That's a candle holder.
See so. Wait, why did you get the double shot glass? And I got
Because
this glass.
this is the one my mom bought when we were together.
This is a really big shot. Like, that's a lot. Cheers, I
Guys,
guess.
Don't believe this. This is just soda and more soda.
I didn't breathe before I took the shot.
So you're just like,
That's a bit. I'm dying. Yeah. Take two.
okay.
Oh, that's all that's left in me. That's disappointing. I only had 2 shots. 2 shots.
I have 2 inappropriate things. I have a wine glass and a shot glass.
I have a shot glass. We both finished at the same time.
3 gulps.
I think it's a double shot glass because it's tall, but they look like they would be the same amount because this one's
They
thin.
are. That one's just wider.
Yeah.
I gotta grab the whole bottle of soda because I'm almost out.
Pam. How is this almost out?
It says happy birthday on it, that's why.
It's half full.
It's because I'm a lady, that's why.
That makes no sense.
It's from Lady and the Tramp, lady.
I haven't seen it.
I haven't either, I just heard it on the musical.
I missed out on so many good childhood movies. Like, I haven't seen The Jungle Book.
I haven't either.
I haven't seen The Wizard of Oz.
I have. It's not really that interesting.
I haven't seen a lot of Disney movies.
I have. I've seen all the princess movies except Tarzan, Hercules,
Yeah, I haven't seen those either.
The Jungle Book.
Yeah, I haven't seen that one. We missed out on all the childhood movies.
And Lady and the Tramp. I've never seen.
Oh, I like just saw Nemo.
Don't you mean Finding Dory?
No, Finding Nemo. I haven't seen Finding Nemo till like 3 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
So guys, also I haven't. This is It's kind of sad. What's that? Go!
How are you so used to that?
Because it's basically my life. Oh my god.
Oh my
Nina! It's fine, just get off of your chair.
Okay.
Nina! Get out! Get out! Now! No, don't go back.
You want to close the door?
No.
Okay.
Everybody knows how mad I can get with this dog.
She gets pretty mad.
Oh wait, I'm not done. Both of you cats are little brats.
She still has mustard in her hair, if you can't tell.
Stop. Vincent, don't try to hide. I'm gonna slap you too, you know it. Both of you are freaking retarded.
Pam. Calm. I think I got mustard in my eyebrow.
No wonder why Alex is my favorite. He's quiet. And he isn't annoying.
Yeah, I definitely got mustard in my eyebrow.
Everybody, you can ask everybody. I've had it with them.
You sound like an angry parent.
You are grounded, by the way. You are staying in my room.
You sound like an angry parent.
Well, I'm a parent of pets, so. Is it sad that I haven't seen The Secret Life of Pets?
I haven't either.
I haven't seen the Batman movie of Lego.
Lego Batman? Oh, that one's new, so. I just saw it. You know what you need to see? Boss Baby.
I never saw it.
It's hilarious. I just saw it like 2 days ago.
You know what else I haven't seen?
But go buy yourself a horse. It's a reference from the movie. What? What have you not seen yet?
I haven't seen Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs too.
I haven't seen the second one. I've seen the first one. I haven't seen the second one.
I haven't seen the first one either.
Okay, that's kind of sad. You missed out on so many childhood movies. That should be the title of the vlog.
Yeah, I watched.
She watches like adult stuff.
Yeah. I watched Before I Fall.
I don't see that one. I don't want to. Sounds boring.
It's fun. The girl dies in the end.
Oh, yay! I want to watch it now. We're both very dark and haven't learned that already. Get all of the cheese.
You're a vampire, but you can't eat garlic.
I'm not a vampire.
You're a werewolf.
I'm a unicorn. I'm a unicorn.
What Disney movies are there that I haven't seen?
Oh, I haven't seen Hunchback of Notre Dame.
I haven't seen that either. Is it sad that I haven't seen Winnie the Pooh?
I haven't either. So. Comment below if you guys have seen any of these movies that we haven't. Anything else?
Is it bad that I haven't seen half of the Barbie collection? Or is that a good thing?
What? Is this a Barbie movie?
There's a bunch of Barbie movies. Barbie, The Perfect Christmas.
Okay, I've never seen any of them. I've seen one and I hated it. So
What was it?
I don't remember. It was that long ago. It was like a while ago. And I hated it. That's all I know.
I haven't seen Santa Pups.
That's a what? Obviously I haven't seen it because I didn't even know that was a movie.
When I'm mad, I eat a lot.
There's a girl who didn't even finish the pasta on her plate, but is getting like 3 things of bread. I don't know.
I haven't seen Alice Through the Looking Glass.
Neither.
We have so much in common. It's ridiculous.
I haven't seen so many movies. Like,
I haven't seen the new Beauty and the Beast.
okay, that one I've seen. It's so good, but it's so sad because spoilers if you guys haven't seen if you haven't seen it yet, and if you haven't seen the cartoon one, shame.
Don't you mean the actual one?
Yeah, that too. So you know how in the original, Gaston shoots the Beast?
Yeah.
But he shoots him once, right? And this one he shoots him like 3 times. Sad.
I want to kill you, Gaston.
I love. Have you seen the movie Pixels?
Mm-mm.
Shame. In the movie Pixels, there's a character from there, like an actor, and he's in the new Beauty and the Beast. I love who plays Gaston. I love the cast. I think it's a really good cast.
Is it bad that I haven't seen like half the childhood movies everybody's talking about at school?
I haven't seen a lot.
Have you seen Snow White?
I think I when I was like 3.
I watched that recently because I used to have a DVD of it, but then it broke. Because I thought it was
Jay.
Where are you going?
Pasta and bread.
Bread and pasta.
I want more bread.
You didn't eat any of your pasta.
Any?
Huh? You barely ate any. Soda down.
I'm not opening it, but I need more.
You still have this. Drink your shot. What kind of spoon is this? It's flat. As you burp, I start hiccuping. We're like triggering each other. Thanks for the hiccups. My hiccups are so high pitched.
I watched Family Guy, everybody.
I don't.
We should do the 5 things they wouldn't know about us.
Not yet.
Why?
Yeah.
Like YouTube channels we watch, secret addictions we have.
I don't have any addictions. So yeah.
Yeah, mustard smeared on it. Just smeared.
I think she's addicted to mustard.
Shh. I'm saving that for another video.
She's addicted to mustard.
Guys, anyways, the big announcement I was going to tell you.
In the last video.
Not the last video, but the last video. Was that I auditioned for The Voice.
You got it back? You got the answer back?
No. I mean, like, I auditioned, but I don't know if they are letting me in.
It's been a while. I don't think... No, but I think that app was a scam.
You wish.
No, because they haven't answered.
They're still watching it. Millions of people auditioned for The Voice.
How do you know it's watching it?
Because I was literally, like, the last one to do it. And everybody... Here, I have something to tell you. On February 23rd, I was supposed to get, like, it was like the end cut, like, whatever. But I did it 4 times with Girl on Fire, twice, and then I did Treat You Better, and then I did Into You. But I'm really excited because I haven't gotten the news back, but if I do, I am going to The Voice.
Or
I'm just a failure like everything else.
I thought you were going to say, or I'm just going to cry and eat ice cream for the rest of my life.
Oh, I wouldn't choose ice cream. I would choose pizza.
Ice cream and pizza.
And soda.
Because ice cream's life. Well, duh, you need something to drink, otherwise you die.
Everybody. That was my news.
You're disgusting. Just don't look.
Oh, you're blocking my face out.
Mm-hmm. You're blocking all of us now. No. Just casually watching us eat while we discuss stuff.
How about we pretend the camera's not there and then we just start talking?
Okay.
You know you can have more soda, right?
I know, it's not watching right now.
Sure.
I don't.
Sure, you want some of this, you know you do.
I can't have Coca-Cola. You know that. It has caffeine in it. I'm not allowed to have it.
Your parents aren't here.
No. I'm not a teenager yet.
You can't have soda until you're a teenager.
No, I'm like, no, it's not. I'm not rebelling yet. I'm not a teenager.
I've already started rebelling.
Haven't you started rebelling when you're like 8?
What?
Did you start rebelling when you were like 8?
What do you mean?
Rebelling. You started when you were 8.
What do you mean by that?
Do you know what rebelling is?
Kind of. Not really.
Normally teenagers rebel, just like they go against their parents' word.
Well, I started that when I was 4.
I got it just times 2, and I got it right. I'm gonna go to the eye doctor soon for my eye.
I'm getting glasses and braces.
I don't need to get braces. Actually, I might if I don't like pull out a few teeth I still have. Which I'm really scared because I won't be able to eat popcorn. And popcorn's life.
Oh, I won't be able to eat chocolate.
Or caramel! Caramel!
Oh my god.
I love caramel.
There's a huge tragedy.
What?
I can't eat pizza.
Yeah, I can.
No, the cheese will get stuck in your teeth.
Oh, yeah. I hope I pull out these baby teeth fast. Because if we don't pull them out, then I'm going to need braces.
I don't have any baby teeth. It's because I have 2 cavities in that.
No, I still have I still have like 3 molars I need to pull out. And like they're coming out loosely, but like the other ones are already coming down. So if I don't pull out these baby teeth, then the adult ones are going to get messed up.
I'm sad.
Why?
I'm gonna be a nerd.
No, you're not.
I don't even know.
First of all, many people in my school have braces and they're not nerds. They're popular.
Nerds equal. Oh, I'm sorry, that's it. Equal glasses and braces.
I might get braces. It's so mean.
No, it isn't.
Our girl on my soccer team has glasses and she has braces. She's not a nerd. She's popular.
You wish.
Everybody loves her. It's in her school. Everybody loves her.
You don't know how my school works. You get judged for wearing the wrong clothes.
I know. That's why we have a uniform. And it's so stupid. My school is so strict. I'm not allowed to wear nail polish. We're crying out loud. Nail polish.
No saying anything else about location.
I'm not. I'm talking about my school. I didn't say the name of it.
I know. But they could search up schools that don't allow nail polish. I'm full.
Why did you take so much? Or did you just fill up on bread? Because it sounds like you.
I'm staying up until 1 again.
What time do you want me to wake you up?
I don't care. Whenever you wake up.
You always say that. But I wake up at like 6 or 7. So if you're not gonna go to sleep till 1, you're only gonna like 5 or 6 hours of sleep.
Seems like something I'd usually do.
Sure.
But I want to do covers with you before we go to bed. Like,
What time is it?
11:56.
That time is not right.
I know. Bye, guys. We never realized you were actually